I'm home after my two-day break in Chicago. But I still made the most of things. So I sat next to a really nice chap on the plane coming home. He was a professor of business studies and entrepreneurism. I'm not sure what the word is. Anyway, he was coming over to England for a conference, and I asked him what's his favourite recipes, and he came up with 3 different versions of chili. So tonight is, I'm going to call it Matt's Midwestern chili, which I will film in a minute because you're looking at me. I had a hair wash tonight, but didn't dry it, so it's looking awful. So is my neck. I'm very tired. I haven't slept for 36. I just realised, oh, I don't know. This just looks like a normal chili with all the fixings on top. So on top of this chili, there is avocado, spring onion and tomato. Then there is a layer of chili, and then this is the thing that Matt, who I met on the plane coming home today, is underneath all of this. Look, so the bottom layer is macaroni that's then had a layer of cheese sprinkled all over it. I mean, this is so bad, it's good. I have seen recipes for a chili macaroni, but not prepared like this, where there is a layer of, you can see it, the macaroni, and then he said you put the cheese over the macaroni and the cheese melts in, and then you put the meat on top. Oh, okay, the rest of the family are desperate to eat, so stop filming. Come, dig in, dig in.